dear students, this is Nisha Dheer. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Dear students, open your GK book. In the previous AV assignment, we learned about the plants. We see many types of plants around us. Plants are very useful. They give us food, have fruits, vegetables and flowers. In the previous AV assignment, we learn about the trees, their parts. Today, I will explain you about some useful plants. We see many type of plants around us. Plants are very useful for us. They give us food, fruits, vegetables and flowers. They give us many useful things besides food. So plants give us many useful things. Plants store food in different parts that we eat. Plants also give us nuts, dry fruits, tea, coffee, sugar and cocoa. Plants also give us wood. We get wood from the tea tree. We get wood to make door, windows and furniture. Plants also give us fibers. We get cotton and jute from the plants. Cotton is used to make clothes, bed sheets. Jute is used to make rope, mat and gunny bags. Plants also give us oil. Seeds of some plants like coconut, sunflower are crushed to get oil. Some oils are used for cooking food and other purposes also. So same like plants also give us medicines. Some plants are used to medicines in home remedies like tulsi and mint. Same like some plants give us pulses. Pulses like cumin seeds, chilies are obtained from the plants. They add taste and flavor to the food. We get perfumes from the plants. Flowers of some plants are used to make perfume like jasmine and rose. So plants are very useful in our several ways. तो प्लांट्स हमारे लिए बहुत ही यूज़फुल होते हैं. हमें प्लांट से क्या है, फूड, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स ये सब मिलते हैं. बट बिसाइड्स दीज थिंग्स वी प्लांट्स आर वेरी यूज़फुल फॉर अस. तो फूड, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स के बिसाइड भी प्लांट्स से हमें बहुत सारी थिंग्स मिलती हैं लाइक कॉटन, ऑयल, वुड, मेडिसिन, परफ्यूम्स, पेपर. तो ये सब भी हमें कहाँ से मिलता है, ट्रीज, प्लांट से ही हमें ये सब मिलता है. So here we have some plants and here we have some products obtained from that plants. I think the concept is clear that plants are very useful for us. We get many things from the plants. So here let's do matching. Match the plants in column A with the product obtained from it in the column B. So here we have column A. In this column we have the plants and in column B we have products obtained from the plants. तो यहाँ पे हमें प्लांट्स दिए गए हैं, प्लांट्स के नेम है. तो यहाँ पे कॉलम बी में हमें जो प्रोडक्ट्स हमें ऑब्टेन होते हैं इन प्लांट से, उनके प्रोडक्ट्स दिए गए हैं. तो हमने उनको प्लांट्स के साथ मैच करना है. एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज टीक. व्हाट वी गेट फ्रॉम द टीक ट्री, वी गेट वुड फ्रॉम द टीक ट्री. सो राइट हियर नंबर 1. Next is bamboo. What do we get from the bamboo tree? We get paper from the bamboo tree. Next is jasmine. So some flowers of some plants are used to make perfumes like jasmine and rose. So what we get from the jasmine? We get perfumes from the jasmine flowers. So write here number 3. Next is acacia. What we get from the acacia plant? Yes, we get gum from the acacia plant. So write here number 4. Next one is coconut. What we get from the coconut tree? Yes, we get coconut oil from the coconut tree. So write here number 5. Next one is neem. What we get from the neem tree? Yes, we get medicine from the neem tree. Next one is cotton. Cotton is used to make clothes. So write here number 7. Do this work on your book, and in the written AB assignment we have one question. Write the name of some useful plants. So you can write here the name of some useful plants, and the first one is teak, T-E-A-K, teak. Jasmine, J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Third one is bamboo, B-A-M-B-O-O, bamboo. Fourth one is coconut, C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. Next one is neem, N-E-E-M, neem. Next one is cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. And the last one is acacia, A-C-A-C-I-A, acacia. I think all the concept is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.